cam, you can't see anything.
That's the whole point.
I'm gonna get out of this lane now. Isn't that good for my car?
Well, you got a car that can handle it.
It's cleaning the underside, that's all I look at. I'll slide right through it. I'm gonna have to get over it. Yeah. Now that when you Skype with your mother for hours, that doesn't cost anything, does it?
No, because I'm technically not Skyping, I'm using FaceTime. FaceTime is
Did you
an
see
Apple
Country in his
application.
hiring all positions?
Oh, I need to go
I
over there.
couldn't see you going in there being a busboy though.
Well, I get
It's
it.
so degraded.
I know, but it's money.
You're gonna be 40 years old.
Well, what I'm trying to do now is degrading. $383, isn't that what you paid last night with the... It went down 3 cents.
I'm gonna have to try and back up.
You're fine. You go right ahead.
Oh! There's those black marks on my hood of my car would wash off. I don't know what the hell that is. Good thing there's nobody waiting there for the bus. I do that sometimes down Man Right when I'm going to the bar.
They would already be
Raining.
soaked anyway, just from the rain coming down.
Yeah, but some of them carry umbrellas. Where's the drive? Oh, the garden sure needs this.
Yeah.
Now, if we do get some more hot days, I'd like to go in the pool at least one more time before we may as well just frickin' start draining it now. You know what they say though, what you're supposed to do?
What?
When you drain it before you store it, is you dry, make sure it's dry and put baby powder all in it. And that keeps it from cracking.
Oh, I don't know.
We should just put a for sale sign on that. I wanted $200 for the whole lot.
Right.
Look at that. What is that tarp over there? Is that their pool? Do they have one? They're trying to dry it out.
Jumpy thing, probably.
A junkie thing. They don't have kids though. They got teenagers. Alright, where's my house at?
Right here.
Let's see if we can do this, okay?
Okay.
Oh, we have umbrellas.
Right.
Oh! Did you see that? Oh!
That one was...
Am I on the thing?
Yeah, you're good.
I'm gonna drive right into the house. That whole thing is getting my voice too, isn't it?
Yeah.
You better erase that now.
It's getting my voice too.
Because
So.
I will step on it.
Okay, we're good.
Can I just stop here?
Yeah.